Hey y'all, I'm on Celebrity Summit out of Miami. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. Hello everybody, it is cruise day. I am aboard the Celebrity Summit going out of Miami. This is a 4-day cruise. We're heading Key West and we are hitting Nassau. I've already done a room tour. You can find it up here somewhere. Look for that. This room is wonderful. We are doing Aqua Class for the first time. We wanted to splurge a little bit. We had some future cruise credits from 2020 that we had to use, so that's why we are doing this. But let me tell you, this ship is really amazing. It is so beautiful for a ship to be 20 years old. This ship is gorgeous. It's so elegant inside, and all the staff are wonderful as always. Couldn't ask for anything better. The drinks are spot on. You don't get a Blue Long Island that is as perfect tasting as I got today. Yeah, the drinks are spot on here. Everybody's in a great mood. It's not a very full ship, and I'm not going to complain about that at all. The weather is beautiful right now. It started out quite cloudy. It's a bit humid, typical Florida weather, typical Miami weather. It is probably about, I'm gonna say 82 in the shade. Good breeze going, but it is quite humid. So, without further ado, let's start. So I tried to do a live stream, and of course there's singing. Couldn't talk about the music, and I couldn't get enough internet speed on it, so it kind of looked crappy, so that's why I stopped it. If you join me, I appreciate it. The Wi-Fi just wasn't strong enough out on my balcony, so that's why I stopped it. We are enjoying this beautiful sail away in this aft cabin for the Aqua Class that we're going to be experiencing. I'm looking forward to telling you about it, but until then, yeah, we're just going to enjoy this. Okay everybody, so one of the benefits of getting Aqua Class is that you get to go to the restaurant BLU on board, and so that's where we're going to be going tonight. We're looking forward to it. Our time is between 6 and 6:30, so we're going to go walk around the ship for a little bit, but right now we're going to be going to BLU for dinner and looking forward to it. So let's go check it out. So here's the menu for the first night, just to give you an idea of what to expect should you choose Aqua Class and go to BLU. I started with the Spanish-style poached egg with crispy potato and serrano ham. My next appetizer was the smoked Bloody Mary gazpacho, and it was yummy. The sommelier recommended a delicious Cabernet for me. My main was the Cabernet braised short ribs with mashed potatoes, red onions, and delicious stuff. I finished with a decadent chocolate lava cake with hazelnut ice cream. After dinner, it was time for a show.
Now
This show was a mixture of pop music and cirque acrobatics. Gosh, these people sure can sing and dance. The acrobats were really amazing and added so much to the overall performance and show. Incidentally, they were a husband and wife team, and they were just amazing. Imagine performing these acrobatics on a moving ship in choppy seas. It makes the performance all the more amazing. After the show, we hung out in the martini bar jamming to some silent disco tunes. It's just so much fun to take off the headphones and watch and listen to the crowd. Hello there again. So we had a wonderful night tonight. The food in BLU is amazing. The service was amazing on this cruise too so far. We went to the casino and blew $20. That's okay because we had fun. They had a free slot tournament that I lost. That's okay because I didn't lose anything. Even better. After that we went to the silent disco. We had a lot of fun. Oh, actually before that we went to the comedian. She was wonderful. I can't remember what her name was, but she was wonderful. I look forward to seeing her later in the cruise too. She's going to be doing another show. We've had a great time. I really love this ship. I think this ship is beautiful. The staff is amazing, and there's lots to do so far. Keeping me busy. I love the fact that they have their all-included drink package, whatever they call it. And then also, like with the internet, we did upgrade the internet. May not should have because it's not the greatest for streaming, but you know, what can you do? We're at sea. So we are getting ready for bed. The only thing that we have planned for tomorrow really is we're going to go get some key lime pie in Key West, and that's kind of what we do when we go to Key West, because the Key West Key Lime Pie Company in Key West has the best key lime pie I've ever had. There may be other ones in Key West that have great key lime pie, but that's the one that I tried first. That's the one that I love, and that's where I'm going tomorrow to get key lime pie. Love it. So we're getting ready for bed. For only 600 and so people on this ship, it's pretty lively. Everybody's super friendly. Yeah, this is a great cruise so far. Even had somebody that kind of recognized me from the videos. I appreciate that. Thank you for coming up and saying hey. And if anybody else ever sees me out, please say hey. I think it's kind of strange because I'm not used to, you know, people that recognize you that you don't know. So it's kind of weird, but it's really exciting. I enjoy meeting new people, and it's wonderful to talk to people. So again, if you see me out, say hey. I'm not gonna bite your head off or anything like that. So yeah, it's really a lot of fun. So I really appreciate that. So yeah, that's it. That's into day one. Tomorrow is Key West, and I guess I'll bid you good night. Thank you again for tripping with me. This has been fun. Good night.